Hi everyone, it's BellaGemaNails, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create this gemstone clutch. Now this is a very high quality crock embossed bag, but it was only $22. The print is very real and I really love the texture. The actual gemstones are rainbow aura titanium crystals, and so they have an oil slick finish and you could see all the rainbow colors so vibrantly. And what I've done is I purchased the stones for $15. The bag was $22 on Amazon. And in LA, I bought this chain for $3. I've already taken it apart to measure it against the bag, and I have already mapped out my gemstones. Now I'm going to show you the inspiration for this bag. So these gloves were the inspiration for this particular bag. I like to match gloves to my handbags. Now, these gloves are very high quality and they're very nicely designed. I bought these for $50. Of course, this is optional. You don't have to purchase these. You can use any other gloves or no gloves at all. But I thought it would be beautiful to match the iridescent feathers with the iridescent rainbow on the sides. So this is how I'm going to be wearing it when I wear the bag out. It'll be with these gloves and you could see how edgy and beautiful that looks. If you want to learn how to make this, just keep on watching. So the next step is to remove all the stones, line them up alongside, and then place glue. Now these are already placed in sequence from large to small, and they alternate and they're placed at an angle. So determine how you want to place them for your project. I did stuff the bag with books so that it is a solid surface. So run the edge of the glue alongside the chain so that it's lined up perfectly and no chain is sticking out. This would be a perfect gift for anyone that loves crystals like me. Okay guys, so this is the finished product and this is how it would look if you're holding it without your glove. And here is how it looks with the glove. You can see how edgy that looks, how the iridescent green matches the iridescent stones there. And I love the oil slick colors in the stones. I have been wanting a gemstone purse for quite some time, and I thought this would be a perfect opportunity. These gloves do run a bit small, so make sure that you check out the size chart. I am posting the links below. You could definitely rock this bag without the glove, but of course, I go the extra mile. So if you like this project, please make sure to give me a thumbs up or pop a comment below. Thank you so much for watching. Happy New Year, and I'll see you soon. Bye.